What's up traders, welcome back to another video. You'll see that the background has changed a little bit, more on that later in this video. But first I want to answer a question I get quite often, and that is, how many strategies should you have as a trader? Now that's a very simple answer, but I'll expand a little bit. I want to make sure it's clear and that you don't even have a doubt about how many strategies you should have. Most important is that you find the way for you that's going to work, and then you apply this and you move forward. So here's the thing. I like to see trading as a business. You'll understand that from the past videos, I guess. There's companies of all sorts. Some companies have one product and they're really good at that. Some companies have thousands of products and they try to kind of be good at all of them. And both can succeed. There's no difference. Some entrepreneurs have only one business and they're super successful. Some people like Richard Branson, for example, have hundreds of businesses, which is very different, right? But both can be as successful. And that's because there's no rule, there's no clear path. Now, a lot of traders say, well, you have to diversify. You have to have multiple ways to trade, multiple style, multiple blah, blah, blah. And that can be good or not, because that can confuse you or help you. And you have to be careful to understand the difference. Now, I believe that how many strategies you have depend on yourself and what you think you can do. And you can always adapt your style based on how the market works by having only one strategy, like kind of I do. Or you can have 10 strategies for different style and different contexts in the market. And that is going to be up to you to decide. Keep in mind that having a strategy is kind of a solution to a problem. It's a part in your plan to achieve your goals. Now, if that takes more than one, have more than one. If that takes only one, have only one. But again, you don't need to be focused on only finding the perfect one, because that doesn't work. But it's more about what you put around it and all the context and all the things you build around your trading. What if your one strategy you have allows you to risk a little bit less? Or what if instead of having multiple strategies that you trade, you would be focused on increasing your capital as a valid thing? Because you get more capital, you can trade more, and you probably make more money than the guy having 10 strategies with you having only one, because you trade bigger capital and you did not spend time finding strategies. You spent your time finding investors and finding capital to be able to grow your business. And that is as valid of a point. You decide what you pick, you decide your battles, and based on this, you'll get to a certain point in life. And that can be good or bad, right? But you have to decide first also what you exactly want to do. And tomorrow I'll be talking more about that same topic in details, about kind of what you have to do step by step in order to get to a point where you travel and trade like I do, or just have a lot of freedom and a lot of free time. Up to you, you decide. So for now, I think that's it. I hope you understand the principle. Comment below with how many strategies you have right now that work in the market, and I'm curious to know. Now, I want to go back because yesterday I arrived here in a new country, city. So we'll have to rewind a little bit. Let's get back in time in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, traders. Welcome back to Montreal. Today I'm at the airport once again, heading to Merida in Mexico for another trip. It's going to be the next month in Mexico. Looking forward to it. And that's going to be different. So I'm leaving when it's getting really cold over here. Let's get started with that day.
Voilà, merci.
Merci. I made it to my first stop, which is New York City. I'm at the airport right now again. I didn't mention this, but I have 3 flights today. First one done, 2 more, and I'll be in Merida tonight, which is a long time. But I'll try to go around and walk a little bit and find a place to eat because I'm super hungry now. So I think that works super well in the airport usually, but this time I've been doing some work a little bit, so that's a good thing. heading to Houston now for a couple of hours, and then Merida, so it's gonna be pretty cool. And first time I go to Texas, so it's gonna be interesting.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So I made it to Houston, Texas. The lady in the plane was saying like it's a big airport here, so you have to be patient and walk to your place, which is I'm gonna try to find a place first. Walk to the next flight. It's only one more, so it's gonna be pretty interesting. And I can't wait to get to Mexico.
What a wonderful world.
So my camera was almost dead, but I wanted to finish the video for today, so I bought a new battery. It's going to be allowing me to finish the video till I get to Merida. So in the meantime, I'm waiting here in Houston. So first, I have no clue how the sound is going to be for this video because of the fact that I'm using a new camera. It's going to be less than average, I think. If you guys let me know down below in the comment how that is and if it's hearable or not, and we'll see after.
We'll be down there once it's ready.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so the last flight of the day. Here we go. So that's it guys, I'm headed to Merida in Mexico. I'll do kind of a tour of the Airbnb maybe tomorrow or something. Now I'm really tired, I can feel it, like all these hours of not sleeping, and the plane today is taking me down, it's crazy. So there we go guys, this is how I got to this point. Hope you liked it. Comment below your thoughts once again. Tell me how many strategies you have down below in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button, click the bell next to it as well. And I'll catch you back here tomorrow. Ciao.